Good evening, guys.
Good evening, people.
Tonight I had to bring out the camera because my husband told me he is going to bring chicken for supper. Can you imagine? It's already 8:30 and he brings a live rooster to the house.
Yeah. I'm the one who's going to cook it for her.
I imagine he's bringing the chicken pieces. So here's the process. So he has already killed it right here at the sink. And we poured hot water over it to remove the feathers. You will see the process of Kenyan chicken.
That's how doing an African chicken.
Well, I think we need to open the window. Smelling too chicken. Oh. This is a new technique I've learned since I've come to Kenya. And that is pouring hot water over the chicken to remove the feathers.
Yeah.
And they come right out. It's very easy, by the way.
Very easy, very simple.
So the chicken is being plugged.
Yeah, you can see it.
The process. What are you doing?
I'm trying to finish the small feathers that are remaining on it. I usually use Jiko, but because it's raining, I've decided to use a shortcut.
What are those?
This one is called, what do we call it? Called, not pancreas. I was to call it pancreas. There is a name for it. You know it.
Mm-mm. That's the one that the food goes inside. The food pouch, I don't know. You have to tell them what you are, which part of the chicken you are doing.
I've forgotten that part. It is something that holds the food.
The food pouch.
Yeah. This is liver and intestines. Yeah, I'm done. I leave intestine for tonight.
So this is the bowl of goodness. He decided to leave the intestines for tonight, but sometimes he also cleans them and eats them.
Because of time, I will not do that. Let me put some salt. Yeah, after putting some salt, I put just small. Then I close it. Put on the gas. Let it cook as I clean this mess that I did here. It is a big mess.
This is my handsome hunk in the kitchen, guys. I'm enjoying my view.
You enjoy it?
Of course.
Okay. Let me do it for you tonight. I am doing it for her tonight. She's not feeling well. So
Today I was feeling off, so he decided to cook.
I'll come with the food and I'll cook the food.
So friends, in the meantime I'm going to be taking some oats that I made for myself. My husband is still in the kitchen cleaning up after his chicken. I can't wait for the chicken to be finished, so I'm going to take some oats. If I eat so late, my stomach doesn't settle well. How's the chicken?
Good.
It is processing.
Yeah, it's coming.
This one, I had already chopped everything up to put the chicken pieces inside, and then he brought the whole chicken. What's the update in the kitchen?
Yeah, the chicken is still going on. As you can see, I'm still turning it down and up for it to cook well.
And this one is for cooking for ugali.
Then I want to add onion and other things.
Onions, tomatoes, garlic and ginger.
That is how it's looking now. It's coming.
This guy is not allowing me to record his steps. This one is ugali.
Yeah.
It's a regional ugali from the village, a brown one.
Brown ugali.
He has picked some when he has gone to Western the other week for a friend's burial. This one is his favorite ugali. Really.
The real deal. Now you mix it, guys, until it gets where until all the flour inside mixed well. If not yet, you add flour or flour. Now we have that discussion of flour and flour here.
This one is flour.
This is
Flour.
flour. This is flour. Guys, you use a lot of energy.
You're tired.
Yeah. And I've been not cooking for some times.
Your wife is spoiling you.
She's spoiling me. My mother would have already spoiled me.
You are burning You're moving it off the burner. You're pushing it back.
Okay, you need to cook this ugali for you. This one. So sticky and hard to turn. Guys, you can see that ugali.
That's how it's made.
Then we go next. I'm multi-purposing, all working. Tonight is my night. Guys, now it's time to remove. It is time to remove ugali on the jiko. This is my what?
Finished product.
Finished product of ugali. Yeah, that is it. Then again, here is my finished product of chicken. Yeah, it's ready and it's time now to eat. We will show you when it comes to table.
This is Chef Elvis.
Guys, now here is ugali and chicken, as you can see.
Even he has selected parts.
Yeah, I have favorites, so those are the ones that I am going to eat for tonight. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of our family. We love you people, and let me tell you, welcome to eat chicken and brown ugali. See you in the next video.
Thank you. you so much for watching tonight's video. It was not planned at all, but we hope you guys have enjoyed. Even you can see I'm looking like my hair are not done because my husband has got me off guard. But for him, he's about to enjoy his food, and we are just going to relax this evening because it is raining so much. Thank you so much for watching.